Documentation, video 725, KMC5, keyboard bindings, editor controls 1. We have editor controls 1, auto tile method bits, latching X and Y, mirroring X and Y, and the rotation by 90 degrees, 0, 1, 2, or 3 inclusive. They are mapped to Z, X, C, V, and R respectively. Inside Keyboard Master, within our down function, so we press a key and we want to see what the fuck to do. Right here, here's where the mapping happens. So if we press Z, X, C, V, or R, that's going to be these constants here. We're going to make a function pointer so that we can use AKB very tersely down here to assert keyboard bindings. Okay, so if we press the Z key, make sure that is the keyboard binding constant we think, and then flip the latching bit, right? X key, make sure that the X key is latching Y, flip the latching Y bit. C key, make sure that C is mirroring X, flip the mirroring bit. V key, make sure that the V is mirroring Y, flip the mirroring Y bit. R key, make sure that the R key is the rotation constant, and then do the rotation stuff over here. Okay, so basic refactor, right? Okay, so down here what we did previously, and then a whole bunch of footnotes and stuff, and then what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation, go here. You are on the fast playlist. We do not have time here. Also, we have source code here. So once again, this is the fast playlist, Kanji playlist 8. This is the slow playlist, Ninja playlist 8. Source code, ways of getting a hold of me, like and subscribe. I am open sourcing this engine. I'm open sourcing it. I'm documenting every fucking single line of code. So you should like and subscribe because I'm showing you how to make a whole goddamn engine, right? So I feel like there's some value here. So like, subscribe, and follow. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a game. It's called Atomic Ivy MMO. I'm writing the server code, the rendering code, the physics code, the simulation code. I'm writing it all. I'm not a genius. But I'm a very stubborn motherfucker. That's what I am. So like and subscribe if you want to see how a stubborn motherfucker makes an engine.